You no longer need 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers before you start making money on YouTube, before you start earning dollars. You no longer need it. Don't get me wrong. You still need 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers to join the YouTube partner program. You need it. But what I am telling you is that you can start earning dollars online on YouTube from day one using this method I'm going to show you. And while you use this method, you can rack up the 4,000 watch hours very quickly and gather 1,000 subscribers also very quickly as you use this method. But starting with the method, you no longer need to wait until you join the YouTube partner program, get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you start earning money online. Now, I say this because of those of you that live in Nigeria. Unfortunately, that is my focus. If you're living outside Nigeria, sorry, this video is not for you. For those of you in Nigeria, this video is specifically for you. I want you to start earning US dollars online immediately. So, I am going to challenge you. What are your doubts? What are your fears? What are your worries? You have tried YouTube before and you have found out that it is difficult to get subscribers. It is difficult to get watch hours. It is difficult to meet the conditions for the YouTube partner program. I understand. I have been through that. And somehow I stumbled on the solution that I am going to share with you on this channel if you are interested. And then the question again is, why would you not be interested? Do you like being broke? It is not a delicious thing to have. It is not a delicious thing at all. To be broke is a terrible thing. And so I don't know why you wouldn't want to make money on YouTube starting immediately. In fact, one beautiful advantage of this new method that I'm going to show you in this video, the beautiful thing is, as you use this method to start making money on YouTube immediately, you will start perfecting all the skills that you need to earn money to join the YouTube partner program. You start perfecting all the skills. And you'll find out that it becomes easier for you to meet the 4,000 watch hour requirement and meet the 1,000 subscriber requirement as you start. So, in this new method with zero subscriber and with 0 watch hour, I will guide you step by step and help you hold your hand to do it, because with this method there is no room for procrastination. I'm not going to leave you on your own so you can get confused with the whole YouTube requirement. I'm not going to leave you on your own. With this new method, I'm going to guide you. On the phone, I will call you and show you what to do, tell you what to do, so that you can take action. Because one of the challenges that people have, particularly in Nigeria, is that once they start to try to make money online on YouTube, they meet the challenges, and the challenges make them stop. It discourages them. And sometimes they are stuck. They don't know where to go. They don't know what next to do. And because of that, they give up. And they join the bandwagon. They join the large crowd of people that are out there saying, oh, you cannot make money online. You can make money online. In fact, you can make a lot of money online, particularly on YouTube. I am a living proof of that. Even though I stumbled on it, but I found out that there is a huge opportunity in it for the millions of Nigerians that are living in poverty. Right from where you are, it doesn't matter. You can be in Sokoto, you can be in Akwa Ibom, you can be in Lagos, you can be in Borno. It doesn't matter. Wherever you are in Nigeria, you can start earning US dollars starting immediately once you use this method that I want to show you. And I say I will guide you to it. I will walk you step by step through it, because I know how the difficulty, the challenge of YouTube can quickly discourage people from taking further action. Look at it or think about it. You spent at least 20 years of your life studying to get a certificate in order to get a job, to live a good life. And then in Nigeria today, you get out of the university, you get your certificate, and then you discover that there are no jobs. Yet, you still hope that one day you will get a job. You keep trying. You do not give up. So if you spend 20 years of your life and you get a certificate and still don't get a job, and yet you do not give up, why will you spend 1 month or spend 2 weeks and then you meet a roadblock, you meet a challenge on this your YouTube journey, and because you don't know the next step to take, you give up? Why would you do that? And then you complain that, oh, all the methods that they teach to make money on YouTube or to make money online do not work, when actually, in fact, they do. YouTube is your best source of passive income. Not crypto, not affiliate marketing. YouTube is it doesn't matter what anybody tells you. I have tried all of these and I can tell you that your best is YouTube. Everything comes back to YouTube. Content creation, content marketing. It is YouTube that will help you make passive income with your affiliate marketing. It is YouTube that will help you earn passive income with your selling digital products. It is YouTube that will help you earn passive income with your online course. It is YouTube that will help you earn passive income with brand sponsorship. However you think about it, merchandising, YouTube will help you. And I am here to give you the good news that you do not need to wait till you meet the criteria for the YouTube Partner Program before you start earning US dollars on YouTube, before you start making money from YouTube if you live in Nigeria. Why do I want you to make money on YouTube? It is only people that are financially empowered in Nigeria today that can engage to change Nigeria. It is a starting point. Earning money on YouTube is a starting point. It is for you to make enough money to take care of yourself so your eyes can be open to see the need for you to contribute to have a better country, to have better government, to have better political leaders, because ultimately it becomes a cycle. Government policies can affect your life, and then you can affect government policies. It's supposed to be a cycle, but somehow that cycle has been broken by the weaponization of poverty. We in Nigeria today are not being paid. We're not allowed to even join the TikTok partner or creator fund. We are not. Today in Nigeria, you cannot create and send money with PayPal, even though there are alternatives to it now. You cannot join a ClickBank and some other affiliate marketing website to start earning passive income from Nigeria. Why? Government policies. If you had good government policies in place, or you have good politicians or good leaders in place, they will call TikTok, they will call PayPal and say, what are your challenges? Why won't you allow our youths to benefit from your program? We have a lot of them giving you money. Why won't you allow them? Our government would have engaged with TikTok to allow us into the TikTok Creator Fund. But we don't have leaders that care. But it comes back to you. If you were financially empowered enough, you will see the need to engage, to bring right leaders for Nigeria. You would engage. But right now, many of the youths are not engaging because, number one, poverty has been weaponized against them. Unemployment has been weaponized against them, as well as many, 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 many others. So I want a new breed of Nigerian youths that are financially empowered. If you look at it, in the 2023 elections, all the celebrities that were able to stand against the status quo, to stand against the APC, they were celebrities that were earning on YouTube and making passive income online. Only those celebrities. They are the only ones. The ones that supported Tinubu and supported APC, they are the ones that needed or are dependent on Tinubu for their source of livelihood. The ones that no longer have clout online, they are dead online, no longer have followership, they don't get views. So the only way they can make money is by supporting corrupt politicians. But if you saw the youths, the celebrities that were able to stand against the status quo, they are celebrities that are making their own money online. It is a beautiful thing to be able to make money without needing to know any big politician. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing to be able to make your own money with and be able to speak boldly. Many of the celebrities, many of the so-called big people, they can't talk. They know that the government of the day, the policies of the day, they are wrong. They know, but they can't talk because their source of livelihood is dependent on these same corrupt politicians in government. So they can't talk. It is a beautiful thing to be able to talk freely. Like me, I can objectively criticize the policies of the Tinubu government because I earn my own money away from government. And I want you to have that freedom. Once you have that freedom, you won't need anybody to push you, to cajole you. You will join us freely to make this country truly great again. You will help us to manifest the new Nigeria of our dreams. And of course, you will live a good and a better life. So this call is for you. You do not need 4,000 watch hours anymore. All you need to do is join this our program to help you start making money online on YouTube immediately. Think about it. YouTube pays once every month. The next payment cycle in 30 days, you can get your own dollars. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Wouldn't that be nice? And if you do it very well and you're earning $100 a day, in a month you can earn $1,000 at the least. Think about what you can do with $1,000 starting immediately. And here is even the beautiful thing. Once you make your first $1,000 using this program that we're going to show you, it will become easier for you to make more money. On your own, it will become easier for you to make your 1,000 subscribers, to make your 4,000 watch hours, to get monetized even on your YouTube program. Then other things can begin to come. Affiliate marketing, selling digital product, selling online courses, brand sponsorship. All of those things will begin to fall in line. Merchandising. All of those things will begin to fall in line if you just start now. Take away all the challenges that YouTube presents. Take them away with your own hand by joining this program. I am very, very sure of what I'm talking about. And that is why I am challenging you. If you start this program and you are not earning dollars immediately, come online and drag me. Come and do video on TikTok everywhere. Say that Refresh Nigeria guy is a liar. Come out and drag me. I am very, very sure that you will make money using this method on YouTube. Remember, it is for only people in Nigeria. The link is in the description. Click the link and join us. It will be the best decision you make for yourself. If you are living in Nigeria and you do not have a job, even if you have a job and you are earning 150,000 naira or below, you still need this program. Because you see, it will be a fantastic side hustle for you that can eventually become your main hustle. I tell you the truth and I kid you not. And remember, the whole essence of this is for you to participate, to join us, to birth a new Nigeria. Don't just make this money and then you go away and then you don't join us in this our abundance party thing. Don't do that. There's no way we will force you to do it, but it's an appeal I'm making to you. Because the tendency is for you to make so much money and you simply don't care about whether Nigeria works or not. That's what many people are doing. Because they are chopping government money illegally, corruptly. They don't care that the rest of the people are suffering. Let your own case not be like that. That is the only condition that I will add. Make sure that once you start making money, come back and join us to bet a new Nigeria, to open the eyes of other Nigerians to also begin to earn, not necessarily online, because like I said, it's a starting point. Once we finish with this YouTube method, we'll go into other methods through which Nigerians can be making money away from government. Because once this happens, then they'll be able to speak truth to power. And once they are able to speak truth to power, they will be able to choose the government that they deserve, the government that befits them, not this one that everybody is just doing psychophancy all around. Remember, once again, it is for only Nigerians, and the link is in the description below. If you're interested in supporting us to do the abundance party thing and solve the followership problem, there's also a link in the description to join that, and you can contribute towards that. This is for the abundance party thing. We need money for it. We need money to go out and engage, and this is why we need people empowered. If you can, whatever you have, your widow's mite, particularly for those of you living in Nigeria. If you are living abroad and you're a Nigerian in diaspora, this is the best place to not invest, to donate your money, because the money you donate here is actually going to save lives, into projects that will save lives in Nigeria, that will in the long run reduce the burden of your relatives here in Nigeria on you financially. So this is the best place to invest if you're living in Nigeria. And remember, you can start earning money on YouTube immediately. Click the link in the description to join us.